In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use multiple Slack accounts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. We all know Slack is an incredible tool for communication, and many of us have more than one account, whether for different teams at work or personal projects. The good news is that Slack makes managing multiple accounts easy. To begin with, open the Slack desktop application or launch it in your favorite web browser. Once you're in, ensure that you are logged into your primary workspace. That's the account you typically use. Now look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your current workspace name or its logo. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and here's where the magic happens. You're going to want to click on the option to add a workspace. Now, you have a couple of choices depending on what you need to do next. If you already have another Slack account and you want to switch to that, simply select the option that says Sign into an existing workspace. Here, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your other Slack account. This will link it directly to your current application. However, if you need to create a new workspace, you can select the option that says Create a new workspace. This is really straightforward. Just type in the target email address you want to use for this new workspace, click Continue, and follow the on-screen prompts. At this stage, you might also be asked to verify your email and name the new workspace, so be sure to follow those steps. Once you've connected your new workspace, take a look at the left side of your Slack window. You should see multiple workspace icons that are stacked vertically. This means you're all set. You can now switch seamlessly between your various teams, clients, or personal accounts. Just click on any of those icons, and voila, you're instantly switched over to that workspace. Now, let's talk about a couple of pro tips to make managing your Slack accounts even easier. First up, let's discuss customizing your icons. It's a great idea to customize the workspace icons or even the names of each workspace. This way, at a glance, you can instantly recognize which account you're accessing without any confusion. Next, let's talk about notifications. One thing that can be a bit overwhelming is getting notifications from all your accounts at once. So make sure to tailor your alert preferences for each account separately. Doing this will help prevent notification overload and keep your focus clear. You can set different sounds or even mute channels that are less critical, allowing you to prioritize your attention where it's most needed. So there you have it. Now you know how to use multiple Slack accounts efficiently. Remember to customize your workspaces and manage those notifications, and you'll be well on your way to a smoother communication experience. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.